Welcome to the Washington, D.C. MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent market activity in the nation's capital. The nation added 175,000 jobs in February, beating expectations despite the weather. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, education, and health services. The U.S. unemployment rate increased slightly to 6.7% in February from 6.6% in January. However, this increase was primarily due to an increase in the labor force, indicating more people are looking for work than last month. Activity in the national housing market was largely stalled as this winter continues to be unusually severe. Existing home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels, but new home sales improved from last year. Rising prices and interest rates continue to be sources of uncertainty, but have been overshadowed by the winter weather. Updated local employment data is not available this month due to re-benchmarking by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. In the district, both buyer and seller activity continued to improve, but at a slower pace than in prior months. There were 495 closed sales in February, 3% more than last year. This is the highest February level since 2007. New pending contracts also increased, rising 3% from last year to 627 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now shown consecutive year-over-year increases for the last 3 months. But in February, the number of active listings at 984 was nearly identical to the February 2013 level. Inventory remains tight and is only 29% of its 2008 peak. There were 675 new listings in February, 3% less than this time last year. The median sales price reached its highest February level on record, with data back to 1997. Compared to last year, it increased 8.1% to $467,500. The median days on market for the district is now 20 days, 3 days less than this time last year, and the lowest February level since 2005. February continued January's pattern of a slower than usual housing market, likely due to weather. Both closed sales and new pending contracts increased, but by single-digit growth instead of the double-digit growth of last year. Active listings increased slightly, while new listings decreased. Overall inventory remains low, which is contributing to median sales price growth and quick home sales. As the weather finally moderates with spring, look for buyers and sellers to become much more active. That's the Washington, D.C. Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.